नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, visitors, viewers, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanidars, living Hindus practicing Hinduism. I welcome every one of you with my love and respects. Today, the sixth day of Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Brahmotsavam. Let's offer our worship to Paramashiva and then enter into the satsang.
कर्पूर नीराजनम् ॐ तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाग्विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरि नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः. सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय सद्गुरु नित्यानन्दाय नमः. कर्पूर नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि.
Yes, with this offering to Paramashiva, I wanted to offer our devotion to Paramashiva and enter into today's webinar. Today, auspicious day, Mahaparinirvana day, we offer the Shraddha, last rites and Pindadarpana to all the initiated disciples of Nityananda Sampradaya who left the body. All of them who are in the Kailasa, in Salokya Mukti with Paramashiva, offering our devotion and respects and Shraddha, Pindadarpana, food to all of them today. Today, very fortunate coincidence, Arunachaleshwara temple today is celebrated as the Devotees Day. The sixth day of the Brahmotsavam is dedicated to all the Nayanmars. And today, Mahaparinirvana Day also coincided. Wonderful. So all the people who are initiated and left the body, today is Mahaparinirvana Day. And we celebrate by giving Maheshwara Puja to all the sannyasis. I myself will be sitting and accepting all the Maheshwara Puja and giving Shraddha, Pindadarpana, Pitrudarpana to all the devotees, initiated disciples who left the body. Today is the day my father left the body and had the Kailaya Padavi, Shiva Padavi. Today's subject for the webinar, Puja for extraordinary powers. Listen. Last few days I was studying and downloading some of the informations about DNA. How we evolved. Listen carefully. Darwin is not wrong, but not complete. Our body system has evolved, but our consciousness has come down. That's the truth. So you can't say we have just evolved. We have incarnated also. We are evolved incarnation. That's the right word. Our superconsciousness descended from divine, body evolved, our biology, physical body evolved through mutations, superconsciousness descended as an incarnation. I was studying one of the major reason scientists are saying for the breakthrough human body experienced from the ancestors, our ancestors, animals, when human beings started eating rice and milk, that is when the brain started absorbing starch and growing bigger. That was one of the major big breakthrough reason they are giving why human beings have become supreme primate, supremate beings of the planet. Why our race has conquered the whole planet. The brain started absorbing the starch from rice and milk. Understand? How brain absorbing starch from rice and milk is responsible for the DNA breakthrough. I tell you, it is puja which will be responsible for your conscious breakthrough. It is during the puja you absorb oneness into your system. Super consciousness, which is reflecting in you, becomes stronger, gets absorbed, gets enriched with Paramashiva's energy, Paramashiva's powers during the time of puja. Listen, I'll repeat once more. Your body, which evolved, your consciousness, which descended. Your consciousness descended from Paramashiva, your body evolved from animals. During the time of the puja, your body imbibes the state, space, powers and being of Paramashiva and starts manifesting. If you want superconscious breakthrough, start doing puja every day. I tell you, during the puja, Paramashiva himself manifests in your system and gives not just DNA breakthrough, biomemory breakthrough, where he becomes your biomemory, muscle memory. He becomes your very core being. I was shocked when I was reading some of the research reports science reveals about DNA. The agriculture lifestyle, eating rice and drinking milk, has given us such huge breakthrough for the human DNA. Brain started growing bigger and multiple benefits have started happening. That was one of the main reason why human beings have become supremate beings. Why our species have conquered the planet. I tell you. If you start doing puja every day, your internal organs, intra organs, and physical body absorbs the DNA of Paramashiva, bio-memory of Paramashiva, bio-energy of Paramashiva fills you and manifests in bio-memory of you. Bioenergy of Paramashiva manifests in your bioenergy. Biomemory of Paramashiva manifests in your biomemory. Muscle memory of Paramashiva manifests in your muscle memory. You will manifest the state, space, powers and being of Paramashiva. I can give you 1 million reasons, 1 billion evidences. All the great achievements of Hindus, all the great contributions of Hindus to the world is from puja. It is puja, which is the core component of Hinduism. Understand? Temple is not just organization for us. No, it is God's home. Deity is God's body. We don't do idol worship. We do deity worship. We don't worship idols. We worship God through idols. Somebody asked me, why do we pour milk on the Shivalinga? I said, no, we pour on Paramashiva. It falls on Shivalinga. We pour on Paramashiva. It falls on Shivalinga. We worship God through deity. Understand? Puja makes you manifest extraordinary powers. It fills your biomemory with Paramashiva's biomemory. I'll continue to reveal the signs, how the extraordinary powers manifest through puja in you. In further satsangs, now with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.